Hey guys, this is George from AGORACOM, coming to you live from the Cambridge Conference in Toronto at the Toronto Convention Centre. With us is Kevin Bottomley of Commerce Resources. Kevin, welcome to the show.
Thank you, George.
All right, the big news out of you guys is you made 5 new 52-week highs last week. So you're really on the radar, investors. You're doing about 900,000 shares in volume per day. This isn't some low liquidity mover. What is it that's caught the attention of the Bay Street?
Well, George, it's obviously the overall sector is hot. Rare metals are hot, but Commerce Resources in particular, it's tantalum, it's niobium. The electronics companies need it. We have it in BC, we have it in Quebec. We're moving the project through to feasibility.
Now, you've done some extensive road shows in Europe, from what I understand. It seems like European investors are really liking the deal. Almost more, you've got more attention out of Europe, it seems like, than out of North America and Canada. Is that a proper attribution there?
Yeah, absolutely, George. We have a very strong retail base and institutional base in Germany and in Switzerland as well. We trade tremendous volume. We've been very, very supportive of their market. They've been supportive of ours. We're there 2 or 3 times a year, and it's definitely trickling into the Canadian side of things.
And from what I understand about the company, the one thing I've always liked about you guys is you're not a Me Too company. You don't hop around to where a uranium comes today, where a potash comes today. So it's not as if you're a Me Too rare metals company. You guys have always been focusing on this, or for quite a while now, this has been your focus. And last year, that you may have suffered a little bit because of that, because the stock price didn't really move much, but you stuck to your guns, and you're receiving the benefit of that today?
Yes, we are. Obviously, the share price is moving north, but it's really been the commitment of the management. 10 years they've been at this. We've been able to raise a tremendous amount of capital and spend a tremendous amount of money on the project. We're getting recognition in the market now.
What's your market capitalization ballpark now as of the close on Friday?
We're up around 60 million.
So that's not a big market cap for a company that's really got some impressive rare metals projects.
Correct.
Any timeline for those of you who don't, for those of the watchers who really don't know a lot about commerce, any timeline as far as when you might be moving to the next step, or production, or anything like that, or what's your near-term milestones in the next 12 months?
Sure. Short-term catalyst, we're going to have a scoping study ready before the end of the year.
All right, that's important.
It is indeed. Moving through to feasibility in 2010, and then hopefully production in late 2011, early 2012.
All right, I like that. So you got a scoping study, feasibility. So it looks like you're not just a company with some rare metals in the ground, something's come to life. You guys are really progressing forward.
We are indeed.
All right, well, good luck in the future, and thanks for taking the time with us, especially for all those people who could not be at the Cambridge Conference this time around in Toronto. This has been Kevin Bottomley of Commerce Resources, and you can go take a look at the stock symbol looking behind me, CCE on the Venture Exchange, and D7H looks like on Frankfurt. Thanks for joining us, Kevin. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, George.